Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received this waterless essential oil diffuser for ribbon purposes, and I think that it's perfect to use it in your house for a long-lasting scent. And I think that it's really simple. It has a nice design, that it's minimalist yet modern, and I think that it can be perfect to place them wherever you need. It has a wide area coverage and uses a USB Type-C port to get the power. It comes with a cable included, and as I've said, this is the main unit. As you can see, it has a really beautiful look, and in here we have the controls. It's a touch screen where we can turn it on and set different modes. In the back side we have the USB Type-C port and the space where you can open it up and refill the cartridge with all the essential oils that we want to use, which I think that it's really nice, really easy, and really convenient to just take it out and change the oil. Once that we have it ready, we just place the cap back on, and now we can just go ahead and test it out. Come on. We're gonna take the essential oil of our preference and open it up and fill the cartridge with it. As it doesn't need any water, we can just place it in, and once that we have it all filled up, we can just place it back in and it's ready to use, which I think that it makes it really easy, worry-free, and you don't have to be refilling or cleaning any kind of water, and which I think that it's nice because that way we have a long-lasting fragrance without any kind of mess, which I think that it's really great. Once that it's ready, we just have to turn it on and select the intensity level. We have 3 different levels of intensity depending on how much spray we want and the pass intervals between each spray, which I think that it's really nice. That way you can set it up however you need them, and if you need that it needs a little bit more scent, you can set it up so it's a higher spray time, which I think that it's really great. And I think that it's perfect because you can just place it around your house, and it has an efficient range of usage up to 2,153 square feet, which I think that it's excellent to place it wherever you need it. And in any case, if you think that it can be used in another room, you can just take it up and move it around, which I think that it's really easy. It doesn't take that much space, and I think that it's really great. I like that you can change the essential oils that you want really easy by just taking the space where you place it, take it out, clean it, and refill it, which I think that it's great. As I've said, it has a nice atomization technology that can disperse ultrafine particles, allowing the scent to stay in the air longer. Overall, because it's really nice, really easy to use, almost just plug and play and refilling the cartridge, I think that it's really great. I will really recommend it. I think that it's perfect to use it in your house, in your office, or wherever you need it. So overall, I think that it's great. I will really recommend it. So see you later, guys.